Chapter 4 Animal Kingdom of Class 11. What is an animal? Animals are multicellular and heterotrophic organisms without cell wall and chlorophyll. Major phyla of kingdom Animalia are Porifera, Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Echinopsis, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, and Chordata. Basis of classification. Animal classification is based on the following criteria: level of organization, body symmetry, germinal layer, coelom or body cavity, metamerism, notochord. Level of organization. Based on organism of cells, animals are grouped into 4 levels. Cellular level of organization. Cells are arranged in loose aggregates as in sponges. Tissue level. Cells are arranged into tissue and show some division of labels as in Cnidaria and Ctenophora. Organ level of organization. Tissues are grouped to form organs as in Platyhelminthes. Organ system level of organization. Organs are associated to form functional system as in annelids, arthropods, mollusca, echinoderms and chordates. Cellular level of organization as in Porifera also. Cells are arranged as loose cell aggregates. Tissue level of organizations are seen in Cnidaria and Ctenophores. Organ level of organization. Tissues are arranged into organs as in higher animals. An organ system level of organization is also seen in higher animals. Each system performs physiological functions. What is an animal? Animals are multicellular and heterotrophic organisms without cell wall and chlorophyll. Symmetry. It is the arrangement of similar body parts of two sides of main axis of the body. Based on symmetry, animals are of two types. Asymmetrical. Body cannot be divided into two similar parts as in most poriferians and snails. And second is symmetrical. Body can be divided into two similar parts. Further symmetry is of two types: radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. Radial symmetry. Any plane passing through central axis can divide an organism into equal halves, as in Hydra. Bilateral symmetry. Only one plane can divide the organism into equal halves, as in Annelida and arthropods, and from Platyhelminthes to chordates. Radial symmetry. Here body can be divided into two equal halves by any plane along central axis of the body. And bilateral, body can be divided into right or left half in only one plane. Symmetry. The body of bilateral symmetrical animal has a dorsal side or upper side, ventral or lower side, left and right lateral side, anterior side and posterior side. Germinal layers. These are layers of embryo from which all the body organs are formed. Based on the number of germ layers, animals are of two types: diploblastic and triploblastic. Diploblastic animals. Cells are arranged in two embryonic layers: external ectoderm and internal endoderm. A non-cellular jelly-like layer called mesoglea may be present between the two layers. For example, coelentrates, Cnidaria and Ctenophora. Triploblastic animals. 3 layers are present in developing embryo, that is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Between the ectoderm and endoderm. Example, Platyhelminthes to chordates. Coelom or body cavity. It is a cavity lined by mesoderm. It is seen between body wall and gut wall. Coelom separates the muscles of gut and body wall. Based on the nature of coelom, animals are of three types: acoelomate, pseudocoelomate, and acoelomate means no coelom. The space between body wall and digestive cavity is filled with matrix or parenchyma, for example, porifera to platyhelminthes. Pseudocoelomate or false coelom. Here the body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. Mesoderm is scattered pouched, as for example H. helminthes. And third, coelomate or true coelom. Here coelom arises from mesoderm. Coelom is lined by peritoneal layer and filled with coelomic fluid. As example, Annelida to chordata. Function of coelom. It accommodates a visceral organ. Coelomic fluid reduces friction between visceral organs. It acts as a shock absorbent. Metamerism. It is a phenomenon in which the body or organ is externally and internally divided into repeated segments or metamers, as for example annelids, earthworm, etc., arthropods. Notochord. It is the mesodermally derived supporting rod formed on the dorsal side during embryonic development in some animals. Animals with notochord are called chordates, and those without notochord are called non-chordates. Further symmetry is of two types: radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. Radial symmetry. Any plane passing through central axis can divide an organism into equal halves, as in Hydra. Bilateral symmetry. Only one plane can divide the organism into equal halves, as in Annelida and arthropods, and from platyhelminthes to chordates. Now phylum Porifera. Phylum Porifera shows a level of organization, body symmetry, germinal layer, coelom, habit and habitat, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, reproduction, unique features and examples. Members of these phylum are commonly called sponges. They are generally marine, but a few occur in fresh water. For example, Spongilla. They are asymmetrical and have cellular level of organization. Germ layers are absent and coelom is some of the peripheral are aquatic, mostly marine, sedentary, they are attached, solitary or colonial, means single, or they occur in the general characteristics. Digestive system is absent. Intracellular digestion takes place, that is digestion inside the cell. Respiratory system and circulatory system are absent. Radial symmetry. Here body can be divided into two equal halves by any plane along central axis of the body. And bilateral, body can be divided into right or left half in only one plane. Unique feature. Water canal system. Here water enters through millions of minute pores, which is known as the ostia, in the body wall into a central cavity, spongocoel, from where it goes out through osculum. Canal system is used for food gathering, gas exchange and removal of waste. Unique feature of porifera. Spongocyl and canals are lined with coinocytes, which are known as the collar cells. Body is supported by spicules and spongin fibers. Notochord. It is the mesodermally derived supporting rod formed on the dorsal side during embryonic development in some animals. Animals with notochord are. Here is a character at a glance. Grid of organization, cellular symmetry, mostly asymmetrical, some are radial, germ layers are absent, acoelomate, aquatic, mostly marine, sedentary, solitary or colonial, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system are absent, reproduction, asexual reproduction by fragmentation, sexual reproduction, hermaphrodite, internal fertilization, development is indirect. Unique features of these phyla is water canal system, millions of ostia, spongocyl and canals are lined with coinocytes. Body is supported by spicules and spongin fibers. For example, Sycon spongilla, Euspongia. Thank you.